Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, y'all, I have got a little idea, a little breakfast recipe. You know, them little sugar babies is about to be out of school, and you mamas out there, you're gonna be like, Lord, what can I fix them quick? I ain't feeling this today. So, can't get much quicker and easier than this. This is some sausage pancake muffins. And so simple, and I got it from my buddy from work, Jason. We discuss food. We up there sometimes in the OR just cooking, just talking about all kind of food. And he said his kids absolutely love this, so I am going to share it with you. He sent it to me to share. So first things first, we have the oven preheated to 400. Before I forget that, we've got now I've got the bigger muffin tin right here. You can do the regular tin or even the little mini muffins, and you can also cook these ahead and store them and just pop them and warm them. Easy, easy, easy. Now I've got 2 cups of pancake mix in here. He uses the Kodiak, and it's also, I seen this got more protein in it. But, honey, you don't have to buy no pancake mix. You can make it yourself and know exactly what's in it. And I will post the recipe for the homemade pancake mix in here. But I had already had it made up. So 2 cups pancake mix. Or you can just use any kind of pancake mix that you buy in the store. Now, I've also cooked 1 pound of Jimmy Dean maple flavored sausage. That, of course, is optional as well. You can do whatever kind of sausage you want, but he said that maple really is just, I guess, another layer of flavor there. So good stuff. And I've got a cup of shredded sharp cheese, and I got some good old maple syrup. So get on maple. So, and some water. This is going to that's all the ingredients.
That's simple enough.
Very simple. But I do have my little muffin tins greased here. And we just going to start putting it together. And the sausage has to be cooked and cooled. So I cooked this earlier. It's nice and cool. It's ready for it. So we're going to go ahead and just dump this stuff in. I've got a cup of the sharp cheese. You can do whatever kind of cheese you want, I'm sure. And we've got the sausage going in. And you can, I saw the recipe. It said you can even add eggs if you wanted to add more protein in this as well.
Nice.
So, sausage done jump ship there. So I'm going to just mix this around kind of a little bit. 1.5 cups of water. And he said the original recipe that he found uses 1/4 cup of maple syrup. He said, but trust me, use 1/2 cup. So I'm going to trust him. I'm going to trust you, Jason. And this is what we're going to go in with, 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Now, we're also going to drizzle some of that maple syrup on top of it too. So, makes it even better. All right, let me close this because I don't have much left for drizzling. I don't want to knock it over. All right, we're just going to give this a mix, and oh, it smells good. That maple, that maple is really coming out.
I can smell it.
You smell it?
Oh, yeah. Smell of vision.
Yes. All right. Got that all stirred up. Now, like I said, I chose the larger size muffins. And because this is going to be for me and James Russell, I think we can handle one of them.
I think we can.
But if I was doing it for my little sugar babies, I would do the smaller for sure. All right. Let's see. Let's just pour it in there. I was going to use my little ice cream scoop, but we're just going to go in all willy-nilly.
Make it work.
We're going to just go in all willy-nilly. Y'all know that's how I roll.
Let's make it work.
And it might be more than this is going to hold. I might have to pull out my little
small one?
pack. Yeah, my little, maybe not. It said fill it 3/4 full, and I clearly went right on over that.
You blew right past 3/4.
I just, you know, do me.
Yep, we went right on past that.
Yeah, I think it's going to work out fine, though. I really do.
Looks like it's measuring out pretty good.
I think it will. Oh, look at there.
Yeah.
There's just maybe just a little bit left.
Looks good.
Should I top it? I don't want it to puff up over.
I don't want it to run over.
I know.
I think you did good.
It's not enough to enough
make
left
more?
over. Yeah.
That's good.
All right. I'll do it one more little scoop.
She can't.
I can't, y'all. I just can't.
She can't do it.
I try.
She can't do it, y'all.
All right. Now, in the oven this goes. It's supposed to be for 15 minutes, but now I'm using the bigger cup, so it may be just a little bit longer. But in the oven she goes, and I'll let y'all know what it looks like when it comes out. Oh, look at there. Look at there. Look at there.
Wow. Looking
Perfect. They look
good.
perfect.
She's looking good.
It was perfect for this size.
Yeah.
I ended up getting it all in there, and it didn't poof up and rise up. So success.
Yeah.
All right, now I'm going to get one out. You ready to give it a little taste?
I'm ready.
All
I'm ready to give it a big taste.
All right, let's do
It
it.
looks like a big boy bite.
It does, don't it?
Yeah.
That's why I said it's for us. We can handle that.
Yeah.
And I put some back. We can just zap for another day.
Yeah.
How about
Leftovers.
that? And this would freeze well too. I feel certain.
Absolutely.
Most
Just
muffins
warm it
do.
up. Yeah.
Yeah, zap that sucker, and voila.
I'm excited.
All right, let's try it. All right, y'all, we drizzle a little syrup on it. And it's ready for the taste test.
I'm ready for it.
So, dig in.
That's a
Tell
big
me what you
old
think.
muffin there, man.
It is a big muffin.
Yeah. That's a big bite.
As he cuts it, it's all cheesy and
Smoking. Got a little syrup on the side. That's awesome.
You like?
Oh, yeah.
Think the kiddos will love that?
I think they will. I think they will love
Got
it.
that little bit of sweet on top.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong, huh?
It's fantastic.
Good.
Yeah.
And so simple, y'all. You really, you can whip this up in no time. And like I said, make your own pancake mix. I will have that in the recipe. Y'all know where to look under the description, under more. Just drop it down. Thank you, Jason, for your little recipe.
Thank you, Jason.
Yes. And I hope y'all enjoy this one.
Got a good comment question for y'all.
Okay.
Do y'all continue to pour the syrup on your pancakes
What do you mean continue?
when it sops in?
Oh,
Do you continue to
put
add?
more?
Do you continue to add syrup?
I do.
Do you go through a whole
No, I don't.
bottle of syrup when it keeps?
I don't do that, but when it
Yeah.
absorbs it, I do add
you
a
keep
little
adding.
more.
Do you keep adding the syrup into the pancakes?
I add a little more. I
You
like.
know, I see some people. They just put pancake syrup on one time, and that's pretty much it with their
No.
pancake. And then some people,
Dip it. I like to dip mine too, so that you don't have to keep pouring it on there. I
Yeah.
do like to
Yeah.
just dip it in there. And I do love some pancakes.
Yeah.
Oh, I love them. Love
yeah,
pancakes.
them grandbabies love them too, boy.
they
That's a
do.
favorite here.
And they like sausage and they like cheese. So I think this is going to be a winner.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Y'all make you some. I haven't tasted it yet, but I'm
Well,
sure.
I got a big one
Well,
here. You
I'll
can go
have
ahead
a
and
little
get you
bite.
some. Try it out there. Yeah. It ain't against the rules.
It is good.
Yeah. Kind of a little McGriddle taste.
That's what it tastes like.
Yeah.
A McGriddle.
Yeah. It's got a little McGriddle taste, don't it?
I think
with
that
a, with a
we
little
discussed
sausage.
that.
Yeah.
That does.
Yeah, we talked about that beforehand. It probably was going to taste like a McGriddle. It does to me. It tastes like McGriddle.
And that is really good.
Yes.
Yep.
Jason. We need
Jason.
more of these, y'all. That's a great
Yeah.
one. That's a great one.
If y'all have any recipes that y'all want to send something that you like,
Rhonda's Country Kitchen at gmail.com.
yeah, hit me up.
www.rondascountrykitchen.com. It'll take you right. Also, a link to the email.
Yeah.
Check out the website.
Check it out. I'm still working on a little bit. I'm just I I'm just moving recipes over.
Yeah, we have a lot of the recipes on there, a lot of the videos on there, and soon we'll have merchandise on there.
Yes,
We'll have all kind of stuff on
and
there.
I'm very proud of it because I have made all those little pictures on there.
She has. She's done a lot of work on it, y'all. Y'all go check it out.
I did. I said, I'm going to make this like me. I want it to reflect me. One of my other little friends, Alicia, she reached out and she said, you need to do it by your personality. And so that's exactly what I did.
Yep.
When you look at it, you'll be like, yep, that's her. But anyway, check it out.
Yep.
And y'all, thank y'all so much for every week just hanging in there with us and watching and liking and sharing
That's
and
right.
hyping and doing.
Absolutely.
We just love you.
Yeah.
But anyway, give this a little try. And until next time.
Peace.